Hi everyone, today I am going to show you very good super snack for tea time, that is Murukku. Take 2 cups of rice flour, then sieve it. Once sieved, then 2 tablespoons of gram flour or basin, 2 tablespoons of dal flour. Then this also sieve it. If any hard particles, remove it. Take 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of white sesame, 3/4 teaspoon of salt or required salt, half teaspoon of hing. Then mix all the ingredients very well and add 60 gram of butter. I am using here unsalted butter. Apply butter to entire flour. Then add normal water to flour. Make semi-soft dough. Do not make soft dough or hard dough. Dough should be semi-soft. Then take Murukku maker. Apply. I am using here star plate. Apply grease oil inside of the Murukku maker. You can use brush also. Apply lid to. Then fill with dough. This is very easy and simple snack. We can store up to 1 month. Then fix the lid. Then check it's properly coming out or not. Drop small part of dough. If oil is heat or not, check it. Well heated, then make a Murukku. Then just rotate the Murukku maker. After 2-3 minutes, turn it. Once bubbles stop, then remove from oil. Super color, super tasty, super crispy Murukku. For digestion, we are using cumin seeds, and for healthy part, we are using sesame seeds, and hing will give good fragrance and good for health. It will also help to digest rice flour. That's why we are using here. It will give some separate taste also. Then again fill with the flour. There is no sticky because of I applied oil inside of the Murukku maker. We will do everything in this way. For 2 cups, I got this much of Murukku. If you wanted to buy this Murukku outside, it is very costly. See how much crispy. very crunchy, very tasty. You can store this in a glass bottle or any steel vessel. You can give friends or you can give snacks for guests, or you can give for a school box. Thanks for watching.